Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn most important concept in any web application in which we want to send some data in JSON format or body data to route handler. That we are going to understand here. For that, I need to create a separate folder in API route group. So in API route group, I am creating a separate folder. It's called student. Remember that. So under this student, I am creating a route. So I say here route.tsx. So this time I will use student, and here I am going to pass the JSON information or body data information to the route. Remember that I am passing information from the client side to the server. I am not reading information. That's why I need to create post route here. So I create here post, not a get. Then I need create arrow function here. Then I need to export it also. So I say post like this. Now I need to read information from the user side. So I need request also here. So I say request, and this request of next request type like this. Then I need to read data in JSON format. So I say const JSON data equal to, I say request dot JSON like this. And for that I need to write here await, and here I need to pass async. So this data will come in JSON format. Now I need to response the data which we are passing. So I say return, I say next response dot JSON like this, and here I pass JSON data, and I need to pass status also. So I say 200 like this. It's a simple one, nothing is special in it, but we are passing data to the post API. We are reading the information, the data which we are passing in JSON format, data is coming here, then we are displaying this data to the user. So you see that this post request is ready to read data in a JSON format from the user, and if I will run it on browser, it would not respond. You see that I say student, if I run it, it would not respond because it's not a get query, it is a post. For reading this post data, we need to use postman. So I'm opening this postman here. Here I need to pass the URL. So I say HTTP localhost like this, and here I need to pass student. Remember that. And in place of get, I need to put here post, and I need to go to the body here because I need to pass information. And here I can say SID, student ID, I say 1, and I say student name, so I say S name, and here in place of salary I say course like this, and I give here name Ravi Kumar as a student name, and the course name I can say here that BTech like this. And if I send this information will come back. You see, this information is come back from here. Status code is 200, you see, but this status code should be 201. So in place of 200 I give here 201, and once again I try to pass this information, and you will see that this information is coming back. That means this post query is working, and we are able to read JSON information here in Next.js. If you learn something from this, if you like it, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.